Welcome to the Sales Agent Payment System video how-to guide. This guide will serve as an overview to give you a better understanding of what the Sales Agent Payment System does. For sales agents looking for the next opportunity, we have a list of new sales campaigns for them to join. It will always be free for them to join. They'll be able to find out information about the campaign, what their reward levels are, and what they need to do to join. For the sales campaign creator, you find all the tools you need to create your new campaign and set rules for the agents to join and sales procedures for them to follow. If you're ready to get started, click on enter here. First, we start with sales agents. So to go into the sales agent area, we click on the agents menu item. If you don't have an account, you click on register to register for a new sales agent. You fill in the agent details, i.e. agent name, company if you represent company, any previous sales experience, your email, contact number, address, city, postcode, country and password. Just click here to prove you're not a robot. Okay, once you've finished, click on create an account. As we already have a test sales account, I'll just put in the details and click on sign in. Okay, this is the main sales agent area. It shows all the details that you've entered before, where you could modify and click update to change any of it. On the right hand side, you've got the agent options. You can send a message, it's an internal message to any of your campaign creators. Or if you have a message from one of your campaign creators, you'll see it here and tell you the number of messages you have. New campaigns will show you the top 10 latest sales campaigns for you to join. And my campaigns will show you a list of your current sales campaigns that you're a member of. My payments will show you total outstanding payments owed to you from any of your campaigns. If you click on the link, it will give you a breakdown of what they are. It will also show you total amount paid to you from any of your campaigns, and once again click on the link, it will show you a breakdown of the payments. Okay, on the right hand side, so on the left hand side, you could manage your sales leads. So this helps with your sales process. So you click on manage sales leads, select which campaign you want to manage leads for. Select that campaign and click select campaign. Some campaigns have a set of processes that they want you to follow as their agent. This here will show you any sales processes that they have. It will tell you the stage, description of the stage, and if it's for a new client or for a returning client. You can toggle those on and off. Select the company that you'll be dealing with or create a new contact. So we've got a test company here, so we'll select that. Okay, they show you the details that we've entered about the company. You can tell them what type of contact they are, if they're a contact, if they're a lead or they're a client. You've got notes about the company. Now if you want to add a comment about a company, you just enter the note and press save details. If you're following the sales processes, you select which sales process it's at. that this comment is. So if you're setting a meeting, you can add a note about that meeting. If you want to add an action, which should be a reminder in your diary, same thing, select the sales process. Put the title of the action, the details of the action, the date and time that the action must take place, and click Save Details. And it'll show you a list of previous comments and actions that you've had. Any actions that are coming up within the next week will be shown under My Diary. We can click on it and see more details about it. If you go into My Diary or View Diary, you can view by month, by the week, or today, and it'll give you a list of your diary entries. We don't have any, that's why there's nothing being displayed. Okay, and that's it for setting up an agent. So to sign out, just click on Sign Out. As with within the sales agents section, you see it only shows you the last 10 campaigns created. If you click on View Campaigns from View Campaigns menu, it will show you the different categories and the number of campaigns within them. You select the category of one you're interested in. So this one shows it has 3 campaigns, and then it lists the campaigns. Where you can then see more details, and if you're not a member, you can join. If you are a member, and you're allowed to recruit, and you can add other agents to that campaign. Okay, we're going to discuss the campaign creators section now. So to go into that area, click on campaign creators. If you don't have an account, you can click on create an account. You can see that we have 5 membership types. It shows you, the description shows you the number of campaigns you can have and the total number of sales agents across all campaigns. And you just click buy now for the one that you're interested in purchasing. Sometimes we have a voucher code on offer that will give you money off or temporary membership. So currently we have a voucher code that gives you free 2 months of the silver level membership. And all you have to do is enter your name, your email, and your voucher code, and an account will be created for you. But as we already have a test account, we put in the email, password, and click sign in. In the campaign creators area, it will show you basic details about your account, like what membership you have, the status of it, the number of campaigns you're allowed, the number of total agents you're allowed, the number of current campaigns you have, and the number of total agents that have joined at any of your campaigns. Also shows you date created and the expiry date. And if you want to upgrade your membership, if you feel that you need more campaigns and more sales agents, you just select which membership you want to upgrade to. And if you have time left on your membership, then you will see we have the retail price and the upgrade price for each membership you can upgrade to. You click on your one you want, it will display information of your current membership and your new membership, and then you can buy now to buy that upgrade to that membership. On the right hand side of the screen, you have the updates column, where you have news that we update you, the sales agent. You have any message that you see from any of your sales agents, any pending sales agents that are wishing to join one of your campaigns, where you can select the agent, view their details, contact them if you want to, and then approve them when you're ready. And any outstanding amount owed to any of your sales agents will be shown here. On the left hand side, you have the campaign creators menus. First one is for you to view and edit your account details, like your contact details. Create a new campaign. Create a new campaign won't exist if you have already reached your limit of total campaigns allowed. You can view all your active and inactive campaigns, upload sales transactions, calculate agent payments, view agent payment reports, mark agent payments as paid, and more options for campaign and agents. So we'll quickly go through those. So view, edit my campaign, just brings up a form, shows you the details that you could edit, including the date you've joined and your API development ID if you decide to use APIs to integrate our system with yours. To create a new campaign, you just click on the Create New Campaign button, fill in the campaign details, including the start date and end date. They're both drop downs for you to select the dates. The campaign description, a category that campaign falls under. You can enter a new category if you don't like one of the ones selected. If the currency used is going to be pounds, dollars or euros, and then click on the Add Campaign. If you have a few, we'll just show one that we've got. So I've got two campaigns here. One is active and one's not active. I'll click on the one that is active. That's it, select campaign. It shows you the details that have been entered. On this page you can enter a second category if you need to. So one is product sales, the other one is subscription sign up. You have a web link that points to this campaign, so if you want to promote this campaign or send information to anybody, you click on copy link and email or post that link anywhere. Some campaigns have sales links that allow the agents to use to promote, to track new customers that sign up. So for example, if I had a sales link to my campaign, where a person uses the link, it will track what agent gave them the link, and that agent will be recorded for any sales that that person does on the site. And if you want to make the campaign active, click the checkbox. If you want to deactivate it, click the checkbox and then click on Update Campaign Info. You can add multiple sales process stages for the sales agent to follow. So this one we see we've got two here. We can remove them, and we can add our own as well if you don't like any of the ones we have in a drop down. You can modify and configure the rules for an agent to join a campaign. So you can say yes, they can just join, or yes, they can join without approval, which puts them into the pending mode where you have to approve them before they become a member of your campaign. You can decide if you allow agents to recruit other agents within their own team, either straight away or once they've earned over certain amounts. And this one I've said, once they've earned over £500, they've proven themselves, now allow them to recruit. You could also decide how many agents you want on a given campaign. So it could be up to whatever your membership level is. It could be up to value. So for example, you might say, I only want 50 agents to join this campaign, or you can switch them off, which means that no agents can join this campaign anymore, and click Save Details. You can configure how many levels you want. You can configure how many levels you want, as I was saying, up to 10 levels. And this one we've configured for 4 levels. We specify what campaign is, what percentage you're given for each level. So the agent will receive 35% of any work they bring in, 5% of what their agents bring in, 2% of what their agents bring in, and 1% of what their agents bring in. And as I say, you can configure that to 10 levels deep. You have a HTML text editor to create a page of more information that your sales agent can read. Okay, which include links, different fonts, images, so on and so forth. And you click update the page when you finish. If you already have a sales pack, say a PDF file, that gives all information about your product or service, then you can upload it here and the sales agent can download it. Or you can enter basic information about products and services to allow the agent to create quotes for. Okay, next we'll discuss sales transactions. So we click on sales transactions to upload any sales transactions for any agents, for any campaigns. So we select the campaign that we're going to upload sales transactions for. So we select this one here. Now you have three methods of uploading sales transactions. This shows a couple of test transactions that have been uploaded already. You can manually upload a sales transaction by selecting the transaction date, the agent, the list of agents there within this campaign, and the transaction amount, and let's say add transaction, and that will manually upload the transaction. You could also choose to upload a CSV file full of transactions. So this could have been what you had in Excel or from your own sales system. You can select the structure of the data that's going to be sent to us out of 4 choices, select the file, hit upload data, and it will fill the transactions with the data from the files. One other way is to use our API, just more for advanced users, where you want to integrate our system within your current system using our APIs. You could call APIs and upload transactions from your system. So when a transaction happens on your site, for example, it can automatically upload the details to the sales system. As you can see, these 2 transactions have been processed. This one hasn't. This is the new one. So within the amount that's owed to agent hasn't increased because the transactions haven't been processed. To process a transaction, you literally just click on this button, calculate agent payments, and this would work out all the payments owed to the agent for sales and for residual income based on the agents within their team, just by clicking this button. Now click the button, you can see the outstanding payment amount has been increased. To view the payment report, you just click on the agent payment report. And the default is for unpaid payments and for all payment types, all campaigns, all agents. So just click on view. Okay, you could also select for payments that have already been paid, for different payment types, either sales or residual income, for specific campaigns or specific agents. And whatever your results are shown here, if you click download CSV file, it will produce a CSV file that you can then use to import to Excel or somewhere else. And if once an agent's been paid, if you're going to mark an agent that's paid, there's a few ways of doing that. You can manually select the payments and work out which one the individual payment would be, click that and say mark as paid. Or you could select batch payments for all agents or for specific agents, and it shows you what is owed for each, and you click mark as paid. And once again, you can use the APIs to integrate into your system to call functions to mark payments as paid. Okay, the last section we're going to discuss is campaigns and agents. And here we have a few more reports. So we have campaign sales report that shows you the campaign name, the start and end dates, the total amount of agents, total number of transactions, and total sales. You have campaign agents report, which shows you the campaign name, all the agent details, the date they joined, number of transactions they've made, and the total sales they brought in. We also have top 10 agent report. We've only got 1 agent within this test account, so that's why I only see 1. But I showed you the top 10 best performing agents. You could also get a report to see what agents at what sales process stage based on any sales processes that have been defined by the campaign creator. And you can see that by agent or by campaign. You can also send messages to an agent. Quite simply select the agent you want to send a message to, or view any existing agents. So I select the campaign, then I select the agent. It could be all agents in that campaign or just specific agent. put in the message subject, message, hits send message, and that's it. Okay. Oh yeah, one last thing I wanted to show you is you also have the utility to upload agents. So if you have a CSV file list of agents from another system, then you can upload the agents here. Also including any child agents they have within their team. And then you can also use APIs to upload agents as well. Okay, and that's it. And to log out, just click on log out.